getting weird. I would just leave it alone. You two should rest. I don't think that's a good idea. Who knows what could be behind it? Just leave it alone. Never play with the devil. Doctor's orders! I'm starting to rely too much on my luck, and I don't like it. But what's done is done. Get up and try to look presentable, Uthman. Big things are on the horizon. How many times do I have to tell you not to touch without my permission?
А кто это у нас тут пытается сбежать?